female Adelaide woman raped by a stranger in Victoria Park tells court of her terror and ongoing trauma by Rebecca Opie, updated June 20, 2018, 17:21 and 42 seconds. Photo: Benjamin Joshua Heldon has been jailed for at least 7 years. AAP Kelly Barnes. Related story: man found guilty of violently raping woman. In Adelaide Parkland's related story: man accused of Adelaide Parkland rape says he was trying to defuse the situation. Related story: man says he RD girlfriend screams over phone during alleged sex attack. Map: Adelaide 5000. A New South Wales man has been jailed for at least 7 years for violently attacking and raping a woman as she walked through the Adelaide Parklands late at night. In his sentencing statement, Judge Peter Brevner said he had primarily considered the need to deter men from raping women who had an absolute right to walk through public places at night unmolested. A district court jury last week found Benjamin Joshua Heldon, 45, guilty of 2 counts of rape over the sex attack in Victoria Park in December 2013. The woman was walking to her boyfriend's house at 11:40 p.m. after having drinks with friends at the King's Head Hotel on King William Street when she was attacked. Heldon showed no emotion as Judge Peter Brevner sentenced him to 10 years in jail with a non-parole period of 7 years. In the lead-up to his sentencing, a powerful victim impact statement written by the woman was read to the court. To the rapist: I want you to know how much anger and hate I have towards you. Her statement said, I screamed at you to stop and you smiled. You knew exactly what you were doing and you did not care if you hurt me or not. Photo: police found a dreadlock with DNA present on it in the park following the assault. Supplied source: SA Courts. She said LDON had shown no remorse or capacity for empathy and had failed to take responsibility for his actions. You know exactly what you did and you chose to put me through the trial and the repeated trauma and horror of having to describe what you did to me as you stand by, deny your actions and blame your victim, she said. Now everyone can see you for what you are. You are not mentally ill, you are a truly worthless, disgusting excuse for a person. The woman, whose identity is suppressed, said before the attack she was a happy, social person, but she now feels depressed, anxious and angry. I felt demeaned, degraded and humiliated. She told the court she no longer believed the world was a safe place and constantly feared that she was being followed, particularly when it was dark. I felt a terror that I have never felt before in my life, she said. Now most days when leaving work, I look over my shoulder and walk quickly to my car holding my keys as protection, she said. The court heard after she was raped, the woman managed to fight her attacker off by using her legs to push him off her body. During the struggle, she punched him in the face, gouged his eyes and pulled a long dreadlock from his head. DNA from the dreadlock linked Heldon to the crime in 2016 and he was arrested at his house in Hathaway Creek in northeast New South Wales. Women have an absolute right to walk through public places at night. Judge Peter Brevner said the jury was right to reject Heldon's evidence at trial that he was trying to defuse the situation when he grabbed the woman because he felt she had accused him on trying to steal her handbag. Your evidence was nothing more than a carefully tailored fabrication designed to meet the exigencies of the prosecution's case. You faced aid. Your account was one of the most disingenuous that I have ever heard. Judge Brevner said Heldon had shown nothing by the way of remorse or contrition and that the sentence needed to deter others from attacking women. The deterrence of men who might be minded to do what you did to females who are going about their lawful business and exercising their absolute right to walk through public places at night unmolested by the likes of you must be the predominant consideration. Topics: law, crime and justice, sexual offenses, crime, courts and trials. Adelaide 5000, SA, Halfway Creek 2460 NS. First posted June 20, 2018, 15:27 and 45 seconds. More stories from South Australia.